Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Garden State Growing. I am Eric. It is another brutal cold day. When I looked at the temperature gauge, it was 25 degrees out. Thank God. The wind is light. It's kind of blowing a little bit right now. But I've got so much to do that I don't have a choice but to be out here. So once again, this is episode 3 of my shitty greenhouse. I've got a lot to do with that. Hopefully I can get it done today. I have some packages coming from Amazon, and they should be delivered today. Things I'm very excited about. I'll bring you along when I open them up. They are for the greenhouse. I am going to try to install them today. Let's see, but I have to get the benches. I have to get the supports. I have to get all of that stuff done first before I put other stuff in there, and I don't want to ruin the surprise, so I'm going to bring you along when I finally do that. So why don't we get started? Just to let you know how cold it is, I have 3 sets of gloves. 3. That's right. There's a reason for that. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if you can really see it, but on that hand, and then again on that hand right there. In December 6th exactly of 2019, I had bilateral carpal tunnel surgery done on both of my hands. I finally have all of my strength back, but as of the surgery, I have become hypersensitive to the cold, something I've never had to deal with before in my entire life. I was always outside in the cold without jackets, without gloves, and never really had a problem. I'd go skiing in just regular blue jeans, you know what I mean? But right now, if my hands get cold, I lock up. I can't do anymore. I have to go inside. I have to warm up. So I got 3 thin pair of gloves, so I'm still able to actually do stuff. Because if I wear big, bulky ski gloves, I can't do anything with my hands. So they're pretty thin, and hopefully they'll keep me a little bit warm today. I got 2 hoods that I'm going to put on today to try to keep my ears and my head warm, and we'll take it to the greenhouse. All right, so in episode 2, I showed you that all the panels had blown out, that roof bent. It literally broke its brackets. I'll show you that once we go inside. And I had to duct tape all these panels back in. This thing was ridiculous. I should have just saved money and bought. But, there's always that time issue of your available funds. Ooh, there's a happy sign. It's 58 degrees in here. Holy cow, that is amazing. I don't even have a heater in here yet. Wow, look at that sun beaming down. Well, at least wow, let me shut this door to keep myself warm. That is, I guess once you put all the panels back in, this actually works, and the sun comes out for a little bit and warms it up. Shit, I could almost take my jacket off, but I wanted to show you this. Look at the wind. It snapped that bracket. And then it went ahead and it bent the snot out of that bracket. There goes the window. So I'm going to do something about this. This little roof vent is not the most important thing to me right now to keep this greenhouse cool. I'll take care of that in other ways. You'll see a little bit later on. I started putting the bracings in for the shelves right there, and in the corners. So what we're going to put cross braces today. We're going to build the shelves. We're going to put them in. And so this way I have room to work and room to put my plants. So let's do this. as you can see, I just got done doing the little rough framing. I mean, it's really like nothing. I just had to make sure that everything was level. So when I put my shelves in on top, now what I didn't say, and I'll show you after I make them, I'm going to make a box frame for my shelves so they sit on top of this frame so that they're removable. I want them to be removable so that during like the cold fall months, when I want to bring my other plants that need to be protected inside, I can drop the shelves, put them on the ground, and then put my plants and let them have plenty of room to grow.
Caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise. I barely even knew who you were. What did you do? I didn't care, 'cause you were perfect, I swear. But somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we slept on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks of fire. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights.
Alright guys, we're back here in the greenhouse. I have all of my shelving put up. They're nice and sturdy. I could put a lot, I mean I could sit. I'm sitting on it, yep. So it can handle a couple 100 pounds. See what I did? I just made a simple little frame on the bottom of this board. No big deal. The frame's underneath. I didn't bring you along with it because it's kind of boring. You know, I didn't want this video to be about building shells. I want it to be about the greenhouse. So I'll put this in there. I only got one hand. So I just wanted to show you the update on this. I'm going to take a break for lunch, go inside and try to warm them up a little bit, because even though it is 92 degrees in here right now, again, does it feel like 92? That's probably just the sun beating down on the thermometer, which is great, but it's definitely comfortable inside of here. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next as far as heating and ventilation and everything else going. Hopefully the package from Amazon came so I could show you that. I got some other packages I'm going to open up and show you what I'm going to do. So let me take a break. I'm going to go eat some lunch, order some food from my favorite restaurant in South Amboy. That's Armano's Pizza. Check it out. Probably try to put a link in the description below if I can figure out how to do it, because I'm still really new at this. So let me cut it here and I'll bring it back when I come back out. Hey everybody, I have a confession to make. I was sitting here, I'm editing the video for episode 3 of my shitty greenhouse, and I'm looking at it and I'm editing it, and I think the total footage was over an hour. I mean, I was out there for like 10 hours doing all the work. So to like cut it down as far as I did, it was just ridiculously long. I think after cutting out so much stuff, so much content, that was, I mean, literally just me building the greenhouse, the entire video was close to 50 minutes, and that's just not going to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up into episode 3 and episode 4, possibly even episode 5. But I got a lot of work done. I got the shelves in and everything. And once again, thanks for joining me on this journey. I really appreciate all your support. Please, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell, or else you won't get notifications when I pop up new videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode.